Trusted results demand absolute consistency. From life-saving medicines to innovative cosmetics and food and beverages, we protect product integrity. Aralab Chamber enables safety and quality assurance for products that touch millions of lives. Certified data logging and audit-ready records, so you always meet global standards. Aralab chambers are built for flexibility and durability. Stainless steel interior ensure maximum durability, effortless cleaning and seamless adaptation to future needs. Ready to use wherever you are. Our solutions are efficient, sustainable and effortlessly installed to fit your workflow. With the highest quality but also at a competitive price. With Aralab Stability Chambers you control temperature, humidity and airflow with consistent precision through the years. That's why leading industries around the world trust Aralab. Since 1985, we have delivered proven solutions and trusted partnerships. Aralab, your own climate.